I used to do a burnout, and I used to slide that thing. I used to get a whole lot of wheel hop. So today I already kind of tested, but I'm finna test it. You feel me? So y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what's going on. Okay. For some reason, okay, I think I don't have a positive. You know what I'm saying? I don't have a limited slip, so I can't control this because they both not spinning at the same time. So this shit be going crazy. You feel me? So it's a success, my boy. Like, I needed lower control arms. It came with the pan hard bar too, so I got no wheel hop. I got none of that. So we good. Yeah, man. Woo. No more wheel hop is eliminated, even when I'm sliding. No more wheel hop, so let's go.
I had to stay down to come up. I had to switch up my auto. Jumped in the Hellcat.